Let me show you how to make authentic peanut butter soup. And I say in Katenkwan, Koko, Amiyangujia, the Ghana way. And you love this. Hi there, if you are new here, I am Hirat and you are welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and then like this video for me, okay? So in my saucepan, I will go in with my chicken and I've already prepped this. So I will season it with some salt, ginger, onion, and garlic powder. I will then go in with my chicken seasoning, and then here I blended onions, garlic, and then ginger as well with green pepper, and I rinsed my bowl with small water and added it. So here I am going to give it a quick stir, and I will allow this to come to a boil for 7 to 10 minutes. And then I will add some tomatoes and onion before covering it to allow it to come to a boil. Whilst at it, I am going to mix my peanut butter with some water, and then I am going to fry this till I see oil floating on top. But you can as well just add your peanut butter straight to your protein when it is halfway done. And here is what I was talking about. When you see oil floating on top like this, just know your peanut butter is ready for you to use it. So I will set it aside and then we will continue. So back to my protein, I am going to remove all the onion and then tomatoes. I will then add habanero pepper and then blend it into a fine puree, and I will be back.
Kitchen. Welcome to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. New video every week. Ring the bell and get notified when we upload.
Give it a quick stir and cover to allow it to simmer for 1 to 2 minutes before adding the groundnut paste or peanut butter. So I am going to add the peanut butter here because we don't want the chicken to be too soft. So when I add the butter, I will then rinse the saucepan with water and then I will add it back. But if you want your soup to be thick, then you have to adjust the water. So I am going to give it a stir for everything to mix. And if you are not okay, you can just use a sieve to strain this in case maybe you'll be wondering if there is lump in your butter, okay? I will then add my blended puree into it, and I am going to rinse the bowl as well and add the water inside. And as I said, if you want your soup to be thick, just adjust the water, okay? And give it a stir for everything to mix. And here we are going to allow it to come to a boil for 20 to 30 minutes on medium heat so the soup will cook evenly. If not, you go on a marathon, and we don't like that. So next I am going to garnish this with some pepper. So in case maybe your people you are going to enjoy the soup with doesn't like too much pepper, and other people also like the pepper, just add pepper into it like this and they can just squeeze the pepper when they are eating the food, okay? And if you want proper peanuts to buy, just contact me and I will plug you, okay? So allow it to cook very well. And with this peanut butter, you can just pair it with tuwo, emutio, or even fufu and rice as well. So after 30 minutes, our soup is ready. And if you want to know your soup is ready, you will just see a lot of oil floating on top just like this. And you will know your soup is ready. And here I paired my soup with fufu and I enjoy this to every bit. Just try this recipe and you'll love it. Thank you so much for watching this video to this end. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video, okay? See you in the next one. Bye.